Um, yeah. Hello guys. So yeah, I think we are live and yeah, we can continue with this problem. So we were solving this problem in the morning and so we were uh oh yeah, so we were given this matrix and so we had made some solution for this, right? Uh, so what we had done, we created a mapper and yeah, we map the ij to an index value. So basically an integer value. We map our coordinates to an integer value. And after that, we so since our this disjoint set, we store data in the form of integer 0, 1, 2, 3. So we created this mapper and mapped this. And yeah. Mm. So here we figure out, let's say, uh, yeah. So here initially we had these we traverse the grid, right? And whenever we find one, so we look for another one, right? Uh, if there is an adjacent one, top, bottom, left, right, top, bottom, left, right, then we just map our current one to that. So that's basically creating a union. They belong to the same set. So that's how we had done. Hmm. And after that, hmm, hmm, and after that, what we had done is we have total blocks, and so here basically we find out the parent of each, um, and here it is one thing. So, so this should only be done for one, right? We don't need to do this for zero. So zero will be zero. Zero will wait. Zero will um wait. Um, Zero will be a disjoint set, and it will. I mean, it will have only its parent as itself. So I think we can. Okay, we can skip this. And then we had done something like this, and this is like really dirty solution. If you say there is a, we should not do like this. So instead of that, I think we can create a set here. Um, so I can create a hash set here, right? And um, and you can store nodes in this. Oh yeah, I can create this hash set, and what I can do here is hmm, so basically what we were doing, if the current grid ij is equal to 0, then what we were doing, we were marking this top as -1. So I think that is not required. Uh, uh, we can do is, let's say, I'm checking on top, so I will be reduce. So instead of doing this, what we can do here is also instead of adding top directly, Yeah, we can just create this top, right? We can have bottom, and yeah, so we can do this in the bottom, and okay, wait. Okay, this is not to be done, and we can do one thing. Nodes dot add, right? Okay, I don't how to add hash set in C sharp. So unordered collection of unique elements, high performance set operations, and we can add item, remove item, contains item, count, clear. So 80, and we can iterate. It has iterators, so we can iterate, right? And similarly, I'll add the bottom, I plus 1 should be less than n minus 1. Nodes dot add bottom parent. And yeah, similarly, we can do for left, right? Okay, so int left, and yeah, and I will add left parent, and similarly, I'll add right parent, and right parent, nodes dot add right parent, and well, yeah, so I can add those four, right? If let's say if I have a common parent, then only one time it will be added, and my final current answer will be um so I'll just iterate, right? I'll just iterate for each int parent in um nodes, and current answer will be plus equal to my total blocks, right? So total blocks, parent, and boom, right? Okay, that makes more sense. This is right, really clean. It is clean and readable, right? It was better than that. So uh, previously, like now I try to make my code really clean and readable. That is one thing that I try to do. Um, that I try to do as much as possible. Okay. Okay. So we have got the wrong answer on this. Okay. I don't know why. What's this? Let's uh, uh let's draw this. I think auto draw. Let's draw this and understand this. Uh, let's refresh it. Oops. Oops. It's not. Hey, what? Why it's not refreshing? It's giving me cached. Start over. Yeah, now it's a start. So this is 0010, right? So this is 0, 0, 1, and 0, right? So the ideal answer should be 2, but I am getting 3. I don't know why. Okay. Mhm. So I minus 1, I plus 1, j minus 1, and j plus 1. Mhm. Should I print this total blocks? I think I should because or let me just debug this, right? Let me just debug this dot oops, dot largest island um new int um so it will be a size of 2 and yeah, new int of size 2. Wait, how can I define this? Is it the correct way to define it? Because this is my int, right? And I cannot add directly here, right? Uh, mhm, mhm, mhm. Needs to be done here. What needs to be done here? Um, it's a jacked array, right? It's a jacked array. So how can I, how can I, how can I define values inside this? Let's say if I have only this array, right? Can I do something like this? No, 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 I cannot. Mm-hmm. Okay, so let's just define this array, the top only, right? And just insert it right later on. So, um, grid is equal to new into, and yeah, and for int I equal to 0, I less than 2, I plus plus, uh, and grid I 0, I, wait, what? Yeah, is equal to new into 2 and grid I 0. Yeah. So, and grid, so I have to update this one, right? It's 0, 0, 0, it's 1 and 0, right? Grid 1 and 0 is equal to 1. And pass the grid here, right? Um, mhm. Let's debug this, like where we are missing. if we are missing any piece here. It should be a very simple thing that I'll be missing. Okay, let's go here. Let's stop. Let's wait. Let's stop here. Continue. Can we remove this and can we reduce this one as a whole? And yeah, one. Okay, which it should be because there is no multiple here, so all should be one. And if I go here inside, so current node is equal to 0. So yeah, I can go inside. Doesn't exist. Can go inside, add it, and it is 1. So yeah, no, it exists. So answer is 2, right? Okay, okay. So it should be inside this only, right? It should not be here. Mm, yeah, this should be inside here only. Inside. Mm-hmm. And okay, let me try this once again. So I just make so naive mistake. I have made really naive mistake here that I have fixed it now. Mm, and yeah, we have got the answer. I mean, it's really worse, right? Complexity wise really worse, but yeah, it got accepted. So I'm happy for this. And mm, let's go to the next problem. Most stones removed.
अगर आप अपने जीवन में सफल होना
Okay, and let's copy this. Let's write this. Mm, And yeah, we'll be solving this problem now. Give me 2 minutes, guys. We'll solve this problem in the next